politics in the national capital, where a major controversy has erupted in the Rajya Sabha after Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar announced in the House that the wad of currency notes was recovered from the seat of Congress MP Abhishek Manu Singhvi. The information regarding the suspicious bundle of 500 rupee notes detected by Parliament security during an anti-sabotage drill in the House was shared with MPs by Dhankar, who named Abhishek Manu Singhvi, much to the displeasure of the Congress. The chair also said that it was not clear in the currency notes whether they were real or not and who they belonged to, and has ordered a probe.
Honorable members, I hereby inform that during the routine anti-sabotage check of the chamber after the adjournment of the House yesterday, apparently a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi, elected from the state of Telangana for the term 2024 to 2026. The matter was brought to my notice, and I felt it expedient, as per practice and ordainment, to ensure that investigation takes place in accordance with law, and the same is underway.
The assertion triggered an uproar from the opposition benches, with leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge saying that the chairman should not have named the member of parliament without an investigation being completed first. Listen in.
You all lawyers, can he do like this?
1 second.
And these people, you told it is under investigation. Without investigating, how can you say a particular man or particular seat? How can...
Reacting to the development, Singhvi, who was elected from Telangana, denied any involvement and expressed surprise, claiming that he only carries a single 500 rupee note with himself at all times.
I am quite astonished to even hear about it about 5 minutes ago. I never heard of it. I reached the inside of the house yesterday at 12:57 p.m. In the afternoon. The house rose at 1 p.m., 3 or 4 minutes after I entered the house. I find it bizarre that even on such issues, politics is raised. Of course, there must be an inquiry as to how people can come and put anything anywhere in any seat. It means that each of us must have a seat where the seat itself can be locked and the key can be carried home by the member of parliament, because everybody can then do things on the seat and make allegations about the seat. This is, if it was not tragic and serious, it would be comic. I think everybody should cooperate in getting to the bottom of this. And if there is a failing in the security agencies, that must also be completely exposed.
Now, the BJP has called this a serious issue and called for a proper investigation. Listen in.
I don't understand why there should be objection that the chair should not take the name of the member. When? No, but then chairman has rightly pointed out the seat number and the member who occupies that particular seat number. What is wrong in that? Why there should be objection? And moreover, when the members have agitated, there is a reason. You can't just put the blame on the members who has a concern. Don't you think that while we are going towards the digital India, carrying a bundle of notes in the house is appropriate? Definitely this is not appropriate. We don't note bundles in the house. You don't need to pay that much of money if it was a genuine note. So that is why it is a serious matter, and I fully agree with the observation of the Honorable Chairman that there must be serious investigation, and the concern raised by the Honorable members are also very genuine.
ये जो घटना घटी है, ये घटना बहुत ही असाधारण घटना है और बहुत ही सीरियस नेचर की घटना है। यह घटना पक्ष और विपक्ष में विभाजित होने के लिए नहीं है, ये सदन की गरिमा पर एक चोट है। मुझे आप पर और आपकी रूलिंग पर पूरा भरोसा है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिटेल में होगा और दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी होगा।
More updates coming in this clash over cash in the Sansad after stunning claim by a Rajya Sabha chair. Sources say Congress netas have met Vice President Dhankar and said this is a bid to distract attention from other issues. That's what Congress sources are telling Times Network, that a JPC should be formed and in order to conduct a thorough probe. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, who's joining us on the phone line. Pragya, this is becoming quite a heated political debate and a source of controversy as we speak.
You are absolutely right, and Congress is also on the offensive on this, and this is why many of the Congress leaders are saying that this is a ploy to distract attention from Adani issues. They are saying that this has been propped up by the BJP. These are the allegations that even Congress MPs are leveling against the Treasury benches, irrespective of the fact Mr. Vice President and also Chairman of Rajya Sabha, he has initiated an investigation into this, and because cash has been found, and this has already been associated with the black money by the BJP in one sense or the other. The matter has become very serious and crucial, and this is the reason why investigation has been launched as to whose cash was it, and was it Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi's, because this was found at his seat, which was 222. But there are BJP MPs who had come out and said that Congress has always been associated with black money corruption, and this could probably one of the example of that. However, Mr. Singhvi has also come on record saying that he just had 500 rupees cash on him the day he came, and he just came into the house only for 3 minutes. Apart from that, but Congress, because no one has claimed that cash, Congress has also been attacking BJP of saying that they have already met the Rajya Sabha chairman and requested to conduct an inquiry and investigation, because they truly believe that that cash did not believe and do not in fact belong to one of their member of parliament.
All right. Thanks a lot, Pragya, for joining us with those developments. With that, it's time for a short break. More news and updates continue with me on the other side. Stay tuned to Mirror Now.